What's going on, YouTube? Back with another banger, with another banger, with another banger, guys. I've been posted in a while, so I'm gonna post for you guys today. Definitely, it's another. That's not another unboxing, but for you guys, it'll be first unboxing. It's a premium item that came in today from this Thursday's drop. I'm gonna show you the fire, nigga, because it's the fire. And then I went to the outlets today, so I'm about to show you a few things. I bought 2 kits. So, you know, just a little cash out today. But yeah, I'm about to show you. Let's get ready into this because I can't wait to see this shit. But yeah, guys, let's get right into it. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, baby. Ready to see what I like. I already like to see what I like. Sorry for all the background noise. I'll try to cover that with the thing. But there it is, boys. There it is. There it is. It's a premium bag. And some more sticker packs, I would say. Some more sticker packs. You know what look at that. Premium stickers. I heard there was a penny. Oh, there is a pen in here. So you know, if I got the pen, you know what that means. I just come with this pen right here. Nice Supreme pen. You see the vibes. And here come the fucking beast. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, guys. I got a size large. Okay, and I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I'm not sure. Juju Boo Boo, I don't know what it was, but it's a Jamaican artist, and it's an artist tee, so it's pretty lit, man. So yeah, there it is right there. There it is right there. I am not gonna unbox this, guys, because it's size large and this does not fit me. So this is gonna be for sale. I am not keeping this, but this is a nice piece to keep. You know, some money I can make for the channel and some money I can make. You know, obviously for you guys, like, so, you know, content. So, you know, but yeah, this is the piece right here. Cream piece, nice shirt, stickers. Definitely keeping the stickers, definitely keeping the pin. If I do sell the pin and the thing, I'm probably gonna put the price just a little bit higher because that's unique. And, I'm gonna show you some of the sneakers that I bought. I really bought 2 pairs. Nothing too hype, nothing too crazy, just light. But I did go to the outlets and they got a few pairs of shoes. You know what I'm saying? See, you know the vibe. I'm not showing you what I got. I'm about to see what I got. But first pair are these right here. I'll show you. These I bought just to hoop in. A little bit. I hoop a little bit. I'm okay. If you want to hoop, hit me up. Bust your ass. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna bust your ass. But got these right here. PG-13s. Nice colorway. Like nice little, I think that's orange right there. That's a little bit of orange right there. But a little hit of orange. I like that green inside. That's fucking fire. That color just goes together like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, I bought these just to hoop in. I do hoop a little bit inside, outside. Maybe go to the gym. So I got these right here, just to, you know, around and shit. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, these is nice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, got those. Next one, got 2 pairs actually, so this is the last pair. Video short, but I hope you guys are gonna be enjoying it. I gotta keep thinking content. God, let me tell you something right now. I bought this pair of shoes, right? And honest to God, I don't think anybody has these because I've never seen nobody wear these ever, and that's why I bought them. And I really think they're fucking stupid fire. And they're crazy. I'm about to show you. You might not think it, but these are stupid. These are stupid. Some Air Force. I don't even know what these called. I know they're Air Force One models, but these are so beautiful. They're like, I don't know. It's like to me, it's a bootlegged Off-White, but it's fire. Like the tongue is really fat. See the tongue? It's not a regular Air Force One tongue. There's no laces. This clips on and off, and you take them off like this, and it's crazy because like it's just like that. Clip them off, or you clip them on, just like that. show you guys from right here like this. So you take this off, take it out right there, and you clip it right in when you go to the shoe, and you tighten it like that. And then this out here, a little swoosh, that thing that's fire. When you're walking, that's how it looks. So this is a very fucking unique shoe. I definitely will wear this. The pull tab is all the way up here. I don't know why. I don't know how. It has a little swoosh on the top. You can't really see, but it's like up here. It's really high up. The tongue is fucking ridiculous. So fat, like squishy, and it's lit as fuck. And the color, guys, the color is crazy. It's like the off-white bolts, like, you know what I'm saying? But these are actually way lighter. And that black swoosh is so hard with this color right here. And yeah, so you're gonna definitely see me white bottoms. You're definitely gonna see me rocking these a lot because these are fire. And this is such a beautiful summer shoe, and I can't wait to wear these when I go to New York or anything. So yeah, just be prepared to see pictures in these because it's coming and it's about to be fucking stupid fire. So yeah, guys, yeah. So it's called Air Force One Utility. Both white and black. That's what they're called. Air Force One Utility. Retail $145. Retail. I'm not telling you how much I got them for because mind your business. But I got them for a great fucking price. So yeah, guys, that's that. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do a little bit of editing, not a lot, because I'm not a great editor, so I'm still learning. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Supreme unboxing. I'm gonna try to get these as anytime I get a W on the website. I had 2 in a row, but the first one I did record it and I got deleted. I can't fucking find it no more. But I will show you guys that probably in the next video or anything coming up. I'll definitely show you. It's an old piece, not an old piece, but it's from this year, and it's about from 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I'll definitely show you guys that. But this is from this Thursday, and those shoes I got today. So that's what I had today, and that's how my day went today. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys. And subscribe, tell all your friends, your mom, your dad, your uncle, your cousins, you know, your dogs. I don't give a fuck who you tell. Just tell them to subscribe to JT's Best Life. Okay, love you guys.